Myself Dr. Samiksha Murkute. I am a homeopath psychiatrist. I had done my BHMS and later MD in psychiatry from Dr. M.L. Dhave Memorial College, Palghar, Mumbai. Now I am a founder of Manomaya Homeopathy and Counseling Center and one of the team member of Samvad. Today I am here to talk regarding understanding of homeopathy in psychiatry. So many people asked me regarding how psychiatry or psychological cases cure, is it curable, how homeopathy act, how homeopathy work, how it prepare. So first of all we have to understand that homeopathy is invented by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in around 1796. He himself was a modern practitioner and later turned into the homeopath as he saw the result. He made an important contribution in the field of homeopathy also and in the field of mental health also. In late 17th, the mental health or mental illness people, they consider as the possession of evil or possession of some demon, and the people were regarded as the wild animal, and the treatment was primarily as the punishment, and the various people left that people alone at one place and never saw them. The treatment approach was very inhumanitarian. Dr. Hahnemann was the one of the few physicians who perceived that mental illness as a disease and that required a proper treatment and with a respect and a proper approach. So now also when we see that the mental illness, the burden of mental illness nowadays is huge, right? It's certainly one of the important health problem nowadays. Around 70 to 80% people are suffering from the mental health condition. Amongst them, only 30 to 40% people are taking treatment. Other people are untreated, undiagnosed or ignorant. So untreated mental illness can cause the severe emotional burden, behavioral problem, even the physical health problem. There is lot of effective treatment nowadays is going on around us. There are different therapies, different treatment which is very effective. Homeopathy is amongst them. So when we talk about the homeopathy, the basic principle of homeopathy is homeopath consider health is the understanding of the mind. So we does not separate mind and the body separately. So we consider that mind has an impact on the body and body also has an impact on the mind. So they both influence each other. So we have to first understand when there is alteration in the mind level, definitely there is alteration in the body level. And if there is alteration in the body level, there is connection in the mind level. So when we talked about the mental illness in our society is not simply the result of only one factor. There are several factors responsible to develop the certain type of the disease condition or certain type of the mental health condition. Dr. George Engel conceptualized one model which nowadays we called as the BPS model, that is biopsychosocial model. So this model understand the connection between the biological factor, psychological factor and the social factor. So he understand that to cause any certain type of mental illness, these all factors are responsible or all factors are interconnected with each other. So for example, if we see in certain conditions, like in a very stressful condition, some people get affected by a certain type of the disease condition and some people are not. So even in a very stressful condition, one person can get affected, but even if in a minute states condition, persons may get affected. So the vulnerability to the certain condition is differ from person to person, right? So not only one factor is responsible, there are different numerous factors is responsible. So homeopathic medicines or homeopath consider all these factors. So we study the patient and the cases from the detailed evolutionary perspective and the cross-sectional perspective. So before giving any homeopathic medicines, we usually take the whole case, we also called as the whole history or case taking of the patient, as well as their environment and the society. So we try to find a remedy that matches the totality of the person, not only at a one level, not only at the psychological level or not only at the physical level. So the complete history. So complete history at his behavior, at his emotional, at his psychological level, at his physical level. So our main aim is to find the cause and treat the cause rather than to treat the effect. So for example, if we consider the anxiety patient, okay, so one person's come with the anxiety symptoms, maybe due to the coronavirus or maybe due to anything happened in the family. So that anxiety is the effect that we can able to see, but what is the cause behind that we try to understand and we try to treat on that person. So we take a whole history and we mainly focus on the causation and we try to treat that. One of the important principle in homeopathy is the individualization. So what is individualization? So we all have two eyes, two ears, one nose, but we all look different, right? Same way, we all have a different temperament, different nature, different behavior, also we called as the swabhav. So even in a homeopathic medicines, we indicate the homeopathic medicine according to the individual. So for example, two persons come with a complaint of depression, okay, so the low feeling or the hopelessness feeling or does not talk with anyone, want to be alone, these are the common symptoms of the depression. So both patients come with the same symptoms, same effect, okay, but if we take a deeply history, then we are able to understand the one of the depression cause is breakup and one of the depression cause is something happened in his family. So the causation is different, both persons' temperament is different, both nature is different, even both vulnerability is different. So depending on their vulnerability, depending on their temperament, depending on their sensibility or sensitivity, we take whole case, whole history, and then we indicated the medicine. So both persons need a different medicines. Both persons are suffering from the depression, but both persons need a different type of the homeopathic medicines. This is the basic principle of homeopathy. Now, how homeopathic medicines work or how homeopathic medicines prepared from? So generally, the homeopathic medicines prepared from the natural sources like plant, animal, mineral. Because of that, it is less harmful to our body and more effective in our body. And the white pills, which we also called as the globules, it acts as a vector for the medicine. So the homeopathy is a natural medicine and it is very effective especially in cases of the mental health. There is one shlok that prathame vyavaharatu tarahi vishwasam karatu, means first use it and then believe it. I hope this is helpful and informative. Thank you so much.